Hello friends, most of us have thought this at some point in our life, that I would have superpowers like Superman or Spider-Man, with which I can do many cool things. Everyone would be impressed by me, and I used to be very popular, etc. Now in real life it is not possible for us to become Superman or Spider-Man, but the good thing is that we can be such a man who can impress anyone. We can become such a likable person whom everyone likes very much, and this superpower can come within us if we become a gentleman. Gentleman is such a person whom everyone likes, from small children to old people. They have some qualities because of which everyone likes them, respect them, trust them, and also they believe them very much. In fact, in general, they are helpful in improving their society. Similarly, there are many such advantages when we become gentlemen in both professional and personal life, all of which I can't even tell you right now. But sadly nowadays this gentleman quality is rarely seen in people. Therefore today, I will encourage you that you should also become a gentleman, because a gentleman is a real man, and you should also become a man, not just a cool boy. So now I'll give you 7 small tips, following which you also will become a gentleman. Now you may be knowing some of these tips, but the main thing is, it's not important that you know, it's important to follow them. So I hope that you will at least start following these 7 things. So let's begin. Number 1. Personal hygiene. No matter you appear smart or handsome, but if a foul smell comes from you, no one will like to come near you, because out of our all senses, smell is such a sense, which is considered a most powerful sense. And science also tells that your body smell has more importance in human attraction. In fact, many experiments are done on people, whose results showed that smelling good is most attractive thing for humans. Means if you smell good, so you will be liked more by people. But if you smell bad, then people will connect you with negativity. But this doesn't mean that you take bath with perfume or apply too much fragrance, because many people don't like too much fragrance. But I am only telling that always remain clean. Means after playing any game, if you are sweating, then take a bath. After eating any smelly thing, do brush or take mint, so that no smell comes from your mouth. So you keep this thing in mind, that a gentleman never smells bad, neither from body nor from mouth. Therefore you should also try to always smell good. Number 2. Handkerchief and tissue. Out of precious friends of a gentleman, one friend whom he takes with him always while going out is handkerchief, because cough, cold, sneeze can come at any time, and at that time if we don't have handkerchief, even if we don't want, but we have to keep our hand on mouth, due to which our hands will become wet or dirty. And then if there is no place near to wash our hands, which is not available most of the time, then you have to wipe your hands in your clothes or somewhere else, which is really unhygienic and dirty for you and others also. Therefore, like a gentleman, always carrying a handkerchief or tissue paper is considered smart and good. Number 3. Taking pride in appearance. Your appearance matters a lot. There is a lot of truth in this. When people see you the first time, they can't see your nature or heart, that how much good person you are, but your appearance will be visible to them. That how you are looking, how you have dressed, how well is your hair done. Basically, in starting your look will create your impression in others' mind. Therefore, it is necessary that you should pay attention on your look. Now many people feel that to look good or to look gentleman, it is necessary to wear expensive clothes or spend more on them, which is not true. You can, by wearing normal clothes or cheap clothes, look gentleman. Only remember that the clothes you wear them properly. After ironing properly, always keep your clothes clean and wear clean clothes. Not that one sleeves is going up and other one down. Means whatever you wear in best way, and you will start looking gentleman. Now most people do not pay attention to these things, but also remember that those people are not so impressive gentlemen. Surely looking good requires effort, but trust me, your effort can give you a lot of benefits, not just to create impression, but for other things also. Because when you look good, people will respect you more and will listen to you more, so obviously this will help you. Pride therefore always take in your appearance. Number 4. Know your boundaries. Every person needs some privacy in his life, and it is his right to have it, and a gentleman knows this very well. He never crosses the privacy line of people and does not interfere in their personal space. Example, this happens many times. People give their mobiles to others to show them some pic. After looking at that person's wipes and start looking into other pics without asking them, which many people don't like at all. Sometimes people enter into someone's room without knocking, peek into others' mobile, and start reading their messages, and do so many stupid things knowingly or unknowingly, which basically means interfering in others' privacy. But gentleman always knows what is his boundaries, and he always remains in that limit, due to which people feel comfortable living with them. So next time if you feel that two people want to talk something privately, so don't stand beside them and listen to their words. Rather excuse them and leave from there, because you are a true gentleman who feels proud in giving people their privacy. Number 5. Borrowing and sharing. I have a friend who never borrows bike or car from someone. So the first thing is that he uses it very carefully, understanding its importance. And next time while returning, he gets his car washed and returns after filling petrol. Means while returning he tries to give them the car in better condition than before. Why? Because he is a gentleman who knows how to take care of others' things. And due to this, people don't have problem in giving them their car or other things. When many people take something from someone, they don't care much about them. Return it in bad or useless condition. So the other person feels that he should not have given that thing to you. They have made a mistake. For some people, this thing can even hurt them a lot. Because who knows, the thing you didn't take care thinking as a small thing and returned in damaged condition may be too important thing for them. Like it may be some special gift, which they had received from some special person or something like that. On other side, a gentleman knows that which things should he ask for and which he shouldn't. He never forces anyone to give something. In fact, he never forces anyone for anything. Because he knows that doing or having something possibly is wrong and selfish, which will harm both in the long term. No matter the reasons are true or false. And this is the important thing which separates the gentleman from normal people and makes them attractive. Number 6. Be polite. There are many people who lives with people of bigger status, giving them great respect, but to people with lower status behave rude and badly, and these are the people who most of the people do not respect. On the other side, a gentleman behaves politely with everyone, from small childs to adults, from rich to poor. He behaves well with everyone, and not only this much, he does not shy away from saying please or thank you to people even for doing daily chores, even if it is to say please to the waiter in restaurant to bring water, or to say thank you to watchman to open the gate. Number 7. Responding to invitation. When someone invites a gentleman for a party or for a dinner at home, then after saying yes falsely, he does not refuses in the last time, but he already explains to the person who invites him that he can't come if it is not possible for him to come. Now why does he think it is right to do so? Because many times people make all the arrangements that today so many guests are going to come and so much food should be arranged, but when somebody refuses in the last time, then a lot of food and effort gets wasted, which can make the other person feel very bad. Therefore, never assume that there will be no difference if you don't go, or it is not right to say now and I will refuse in the end, because this wastes the effort of other person and make them feel bad, and a gentleman never wants anyone to feel bad. So to conclude, becoming a gentleman in life can make you a nice and respectful person. So you must follow these 7 small tips. First, always keep yourself clean and smell good. Second, while going out, never forget to take handkerchief. Third, always maintain yourself well, make your hair well, dress clean and well, and try to look good. Fourth, never interfere in others' privacy. Fifth, always take great care of others' things and never feel bad after hearing no. Sixth, with younger, older, everyone behave politely. Seventh, after getting invitation from others, deny beforehand if it is not possible for you to go. If you wanted to keep watching such interesting videos for free every week, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family. That's for now. Thanks for watching.